New for 2025, Hot Wheels monster trucks, Snakebite. So up top here is the name Snakebite, truck type, pickup strength, venomous velocity, crash attack, quick strike. And here are the other vehicles or monster trucks in this series. Here is Snakebite out of the package, and yes, this scheme of Snakebite, the color scheme, if you would, I'm gonna call it, was on a real Snakebite. So here is the name of the truck on the back here, and then we get a different color, like kind of a cherry color, or even a different reddish color for the snake, and the green is even different. The yellow is also, everything, all the color schemes is different. And it looks like that is even scales like on, supposed to be like from the snake. You can see those little things going in the back there. So here it is out of the package, the red eyes of Snakebite. Then we got the fangs in the front. And then they did this. They put the Hot Wheels monster truck logo on there, on top of his nose, if you want to call that, on the snake. And then here is the other side. The wheels are gray, black roll cage. And then in the back here, we have Bob and Manlord Chandler's Bigfoot Racing Team. So that wraps up the unboxing of Snakebite. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Thank you for tuning in.